Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a voltage divider using resistors, as you can see guys. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, this is an inductor, and here are three 30 ohms resistor, 220 ohms, sorry guys, 220 ohms resistor, as you can see, and we connected it in series. This will be our positive, and we are going to connect our battery here. This is the switch, and we have inductor here, and here will be our negative. So we are going to test our output here. As you can see guys, 1 2 3, this will be our negative, and here will be the positive, like this. So let's go guys. So guys, as you can see, this is our switch. We have the inductor here, and this is the positive here, as you can see. So we connect it to the multimeter lead. As you can see, this is our multimeter, and this is the series resistor in series, 220 ohms resistor guys. This is the minus, the negative, and these are the wires that came from the middle pin of this resistor. As you can see guys, I use a tape to hold it down. So we are putting 5 volts input. So we have a 5 volt input. So we want to test the voltage guys to see how this thing is working. So let's test it guys. So let me on it here. Then we have our multimeter lead. This is the output of negative output directly, as you can see. Oh, I've removed it guys. So guys, as you can see, we have a 5 volts output directly. So let's test the other pin. We have 3.34 volts. Then the last pin, which is the middle pin here, we have 1.0 67 volts, guys. So this pin give us 3 volts, and the last pin was 5 volts, which is directly from the output of the power supply. As you can see, 3 volts. Then we have the second to the last, then that one give us 166. So we want to test it with LED, guys, and see how this thing is working. So guys, as you can see, this is a LED bulb of 2 volts, as you can see. So we are going to connect it now. This is the positive. We are connecting it to the positive of this stuff. So we are going to test it with all these outputs one by one. This is the first output, the second output, and the third output, which is directly from the output of the power supply. So we want to test it now, guys. Let me on it. So guys, as you can see, it is very low. This is 166 output. So let's test it with 3 volts, as you can see. So guys, we cannot use this one directly because it will burn our LED, but this is the 3 volt output, and here is 166 output. As you can see, the LED is very low. So guys, this is how to make a simple voltage divider at home. As you can see, it is working very well. So please subscribe to my channel. So this is the 3 volt output. This one is 1.666, and here is directly volts, which is 5 volts input, and this is the output in case we have an. So as you can see, guys, so let's use this